I got in the November 2017 K-Day case. This is some of the cars you'll be looking forward to if you're going to K-Day this Saturday. This one's the 999 ABB. This one kind of really messed this up. Take a peek inside, see what we got. Okay, so we have a re-release of the Beatles Yellow Submarine. Don't see any changes. Maybe someone's got a better eye than I do. We have the 2015 Dodge Charger Srt, which I believe is actually a first to market. Yeah, this is one of the first to market cars. Along with the Morris Mini is also one of the first to market. Then we have the color exclusive 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. This thing is wicked awesome. Can't wait to throw some real riders on this guy. Actually, sorry, this is one of the. This is also a first to market. That was an exclusive, but nope. So first to market. This one is only one of them. I think it's awesome. Definitely be grabbing some more of those when they hit the pegs. I haven't seen this one used in a while, the 55 Corvette. Well, they did use it for the mail-in last year. It looks like it's coming back as a main line. They have the 67 Mustang. Yeah, so it's B case assortment, even though the box says A case. The Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Oops, sorry. This is going to be a popular one, I am sure. Gas Monkey Garage. The 68 Corvette. Blue with flames. Very nice. We have the Boom Car, which I believe, no, I thought it was A case, but no. It's hard to grab these. Snoopy's back with new wheels. It's the only difference I can see in him. This is one of the first markets in the last case. I guess they had some left over that they decided to throw in here, the Volkswagen Golf. And if you're looking for the Super on K-Day, it's going to be this one, the Nova. Obviously, it's going to have the Spectraflame paint, and it's going to have TH on the back quarter panel. Yeah, even the regular is really nice in that. So we got Mad Props, the custom Acura Integra, Mazda RX-7, lots of A case repeats. Well, this one claims to be a B case. I'm guessing this is a recolor. Very cool. Got the Surf Crate, which is one of the color exclusives. I also like it unspun. Damn, was a little messed up. Got the Fiat 500, which is one of the Hot Wheels Daredevil chases. Doesn't have the number at the top. Actually, none of these do. Oh, sorry, those are color exclusives. Which means this is a Hot Wheels Daredevil chase as well. No number. Normal main lines will have the number at the top. The Datsun 620, which would have been the AK Super. Bone Shaker carries over from the A case. The Baja Hauler, which, yep, B case. What is that? So, special feature: the back opens up. The revealer ramp. Then another one of the color exclusives. The Formula Flashback. And then A case carryover, the Ram 1500, which showed up in some Q cases at Walmart. The HW 450F. Then you got a head starter. Then the Volkswagen, so the Käfer Road Racer. Can't pronounce that, sorry guys. What is that? This is from P case, which means Q case should have been the last one it was in, but look at that. It says it's a B case car now. Yet this was from the P case. I don't see any differences in it, and it even has last year's card. Did they have like a ton of these laying around the factory that they're like, hey, we gotta get rid of these, so let's just throw it in there? And it's considered an exotic? I don't think so. Ooh, well, that's really nice. New for 2018, the Nissan Skyline Gtr. Had to grab a couple more of those. Another Baja Hauler. Oh, this is actually one of the color exclusives. Sorry about that. Usually when they're stuck together, it's easier to tell. Not a very good assortment this year for the color exclusives. So the Justice League, another one, another Nissan Skyline. A bunch of carryovers, and the Chrysler 300C, which is just ridiculous. Carbon fiber roof, chrome bumpers. And the last color exclusive would be the Honda Civic EF. Really nice. And the last car in here is the Milano from Guardians of the Galaxy. The only difference I can find on this one is that it has a blue stand now instead of clear like the Retro and the other mainline release. So that's the cars to be going after this Saturday. Good luck and let me know what you find.